Okay, hello guys. Today we are gonna see the difference between gerunds and infinitives. We're gonna figure out the answer to this question that seems so complicated, but yet we're gonna try to make it easy. What is the difference between these two? We need to understand what is a gerund. So, one of the main things we need to understand is that a gerund, it is not actually a verb. When we add ing, the gerund actually is a noun. And how do we create a gerund? That's easy, right? We have the verb, and then we just simply add ing at the end of it. So we have one example here. We have eat plus ing, we create eating. So we have this sentence as an example. Eating makes me feel better. And how do we know eating is not actually a verb? Well, if we ask, what makes me feel better? Is eating, right? That's the answer. So the verb is clearly makes. Let's do one more example. So driving is fun. Let's do the same thing again. If we ask, what is fun? Driving. Okay, so we know the verb is from the verb to be. And driving is just a noun. So what is fun? Driving. So there we have gerunds. Now let's understand infinitives. We have two kinds of infinitives. We have the zero infinitives, or the base form, so eat, run, play, and we have the two infinitives, which are to eat, to run, to play. But we're only going to focus on the two infinitives. Let's see some more information about the two infinitives. The name, it's really straightforward. So it's to plus infinitive, to plus the verb. So instead of having eat, now we have to eat. Let's take a look at this sentence. This is going to serve as the example to understand why do we use two infinitives. We have to be careful here. We have two different verbs, and we cannot have two verbs next to each other. So what do? We add to in the middle of them. So now we have I want to eat some pizza. So what's the difference between gerunds and infinitives? Let's take a look, or let's find out the answer by looking at these two different examples. The first one says, stop buying bread from the market. Okay, stop buying. This works as a one unit. Stop buying, stop doing that action. Don't go there anymore to buy bread. Okay, but here it's a different case. We have stop to buy. Okay, so first stop, have a pause, and then go and buy some bread. So it's giving you two different actions at the same time. Stop, then buy. So verb 1 and verb 2. Stop, then buy. Right here, it says stop buying. We cannot say stop and then buy. Okay, no, stop buying. This is one unit. So that is one of the main differences. Let's see another. I will not forget watching my favorite movie. I will not forget watching. Again, one single unit. I will not forget watching my favorite movie. But now, let's take a look at the second example. I will not forget to watch my favorite movie. So first thing I will not do is forget. Okay, I will not forget verb 1 to watch. Verb 2. Okay, we don't want to forget it, so I need to remember, and then as I remembered, I will watch my favorite movie. Okay, guys, so I hope this short but straightforward explanation does it, and I hope you really understand the difference. And I'll see you in the next video.